You grow up, you grow and learn to see. The baby doesn't know too much either. He can't even see. His eyes are just, he can't see anything. And then he grows and his eyes start functioning. So as we grow, our eyes start functioning. As we grow in bhakti, our eyes start functioning, our external eye and our internal eye. Because our eyes are Guru Chakshush and Shastra Chakshush. As we grow in the service of Guru, we get Guru Chakshush. And as we grow in service of Shastra and study more and more, then we get Shastra Chakshush, the eye of Shastra and the eye of Guru. Oman Gyanati Merandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. So this vision coming from Guru and Shastra allows us to see ourselves, first of all, Sambandha Gyan. Who are we? What is our relationship with Krishna in this world? And ultimately, what is our eternal relationship with Radharani and Krishna in that world? First we have to understand our relationship in this world. So that's first Sambandha. That's the Krishna Sambandha, Sambandha Tattva. Then Prem Sambandha, that comes when we develop higher vision, internal vision, Antardristi. So our sight is always improving. We're not going blind with old age. With old materialists, as they get older, they get more blind. They get glaucoma or cataracts or whatever. And they can't see a thing. All they see is opacity, some light. And they can't distinguish images. But as the devotee grows older and older in bhakti and devotion and surrender, then he gets better and better vision. Internal vision, spiritual vision, Veda vision. Somebody has a book publishing company called Veda Vision. So he gets Krishna vision. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santaksadeva Yeshu Vilokayanti Yam Shama Sundaram Achintya Guna Sarupam. Guna Sarupam, his Sarup and his Guna, his qualities and his form are inconceivable. God's form, Shama Sundar's form, but they can be seen. You can't conceive it, but you can see it. That's interesting. He's saying, Bhakti Vilochan, when we have the eye of devotion, then we can see that which is inconceivable. You can't think about it. You can't understand it with logic or reason, Krishna's transcendental form, quality, or pastimes. They escape us. But with the eye of devotion, we can not only understand it, but we can see it as it is. So this is the maturation of bhakti. It's developing the eyes to see Krishna and developing the eyes to see Radha and their pastimes. Radhika Sham. Iridari Sham.